regulars. Ayan, from anywhere. Kung meron man pong international. So magandang umaga po. So gusto ko pong i-share sa inyo muna ang aking amazing transformation journey with Herbalife. So I am Cheng Giliarte, 32 years old. My amazing results started with the weight loss program. So nag-continue po siya using it as my nutrition partner in sports nutrition sa aking pagda-dragon boat. I am a dragon boat athlete before. And with my 2 healthy pregnancies, of course. So ginamit ko po siya as prenatal supplements with the approval of my OB since my OB is also a Herbalife user. And of course, sa aking pagbe-breastfeeding on my second journey, 3 years now. Amazing, amazing. So hindi ko po hininto yung products. To name of my favorite products, here are NRG Extra Cal, Herbalife line, Formula 2 vitamins and minerals, Formula 3 personalized protein powder, Nightworks for build strength, cell complex, and of course, our active fiber complex. So talagang kulang na lang po, lahat po talaga ay i-mention ko, pero to highlight, yun po yung aking mga favorite products. And ang background ko po dati, I am a licensed special education teacher. So it really needs a special attention to those kids. So talagang double yung work mo, double yung energy. So yun yung kailangan mo. And of course, bago ko makalimutan, ang pinaka nagustuhan ko is yung nag-gain kong energy pala sa aking result and 60 pounds and counting ang aking weight loss. So with that, yung aking pagtuturo, double nga yung work, double nga yung energy. So nakadevelop ako ng stress eating habits. And hindi ko rin po gusto yung aking work dahil po meron akong mga deadlines. And inuuwi ko pa rin po yung work ko sa bahay and I have a fixed salary and plus yung stress din sa traffic. So with that po, I found a solution with Herbalife, not just with the program, but of course with the opportunity. So with Herbalife, thank you Herbalife because I got to develop yung healthy eating habits. I can be a present mom, present parent right now, and I can work anytime, anywhere, di ba? So yung schedule mo is flexible, and of course, nandyan yung financial freedom. So, amazing Herbalife, kasi with Herbalife, sabi nga kanina, continuous learning. So, unending learning talaga, maraming natututunan. And I am very inspired sa mga nag-share ngayon ng kanilang mga transformation journey. Ayan, so let's start with our topic for this morning. So ito po ay fast track your fitness results with a balanced exercise plan. This is written by Samantha Clayton. So he is the Vice President sa Sports Performance and Fitness. So this article is from myherbalife.com. So ayan, I have a question to you all. Nakapag-exercise na kayo starting this 2025? Or you are still continuing your exercise plan, di ba? So you can get yung better and faster results if you will customize yung inyong mga workouts and you can also discover kung ano ba yung missing sa iyong routine. Ayan. So let's start. Training in a balanced and structured way. So ano ba ang sabi ni Samantha Clayton that if you have a balanced approach, yun yung best approach para makalive ka into healthy, active lifestyle. So ano ba ang benefits if you will take the balanced approach? Of course, it will help you to accurately progress your workouts. So hindi ka lang basta workout ng workout, nagpo-progress ka sa iyong workout. So ano pa? It also can help you sa to avoid yung mga injuries. Yan, yung mga unnecessary injuries, di ba? So para alam mo kung ano talaga yung ginagawa mo sa iyong workout or sa iyong fitness plan. Ayan. And of course, more important is yung ma-enhance niya yung overall training results mo. So talagang may progress yung pag-workout mo. Hindi siya basta lang ginawa mo siya every day or 3 times a week or kung ilang beses ka nag-workout in a week. Ayan. And it will help you, of course, to reach your goals faster kapag you have a plan. Yan. So, let's talk about yung 4 elements ng exercise. Of course, tayong mga individual, we all have our, tayong lahat, meron tayong mga gustong workout, mga ayaw na workout, di ba? So, depende sa gusto natin kung na workouts. So, kung if customize natin yung ating routine based sa syempre kung ano yung gusto mo, ano yung like mo, ano yung love mo, you can stay motivated, di ba? And dedicated sa achieving yung goal mo, yung fitness goal mo. So let's know about yung 4 elements of exercise na kailangan talaga sa every fitness plan if we will um, do our workout. Okay, number 1 is stretching. So stretching on a regular basis, as in regular, means every day, it will help us gain yung body confidence. And of course, we will also become more conscious sa ating posture. So agree ba kayo doon, di ba? So talagang very important yung stretching, not just by exercising agad or doing your exercise routine. And of course, stretching is also great for improving yung ating joint stability, muscular flexibility, and yung mga tension sa ating muscles. Diba? So, malaking help po yung stretching. So, of course, like yung mga dynamic warm-up stretches or yung static post-exercise stretching. So, it can take a little time ng mga 10 minutes po, but we can really feel yung difference kapag ginawa po natin yun. Kaya, very important po yung warm up before workout and cool down after workout. So that's the number 1, the stretching. So number 2 po is the cardio. Of course, if we engage in cardiovascular activity, of course, it is really good sa ating heart and great sa pagbe-burn ng excess calories. Okay, so maraming may favorite sa cardio, di ba? Madalas, ito ang laging ginagawang pag-exercise, di ba? Jogging, running, di ba yan? And of course, did you know yung ating heart, it is a muscle, and if we push it to work hard, kahit mga few days, kahit mga 2 times, 3 times a week, it may help improve our cardiac output. So, if you really put it into work, may ma-help siya sa ating heart. Okay. And if we engage again into cardiovascular activity on a regular basis, it can help lower our overall resting heart rate, which is good sa ating long-term health. Okay? And of course, yung pag-perform ng mga moderately intense cardio activities for at least 150 minutes per week or 75 minutes per week of vigorous activity or yung combination ng dalawa, it is a good amount to aim yung or ma-reap, di ba, yung ating health benefits kasama ng pag-exercise. So talagang kailangan meron kang plan kung kailan mo gagawin ang pagka-cardio. And yun nga, tulad na sinabi ko kanina, ano ba yung mga cardiovascular activities? May walking, running, jogging, cycling, swimming, di ba? Dancing, tulad mamaya merong Zumba fitness, di ba? So you can do your cardio. But any exercise na mag-rate up yung heart, it will work. Okay? So that's the second element, the cardio. The third one is strength. Ayan. So, sino dito ay gustong mas maging malakas pa, di ba? Ayan. So, this is very important na element. This is one of my favorite element is the strength. So, when you add resistance-based training to your routine, you will start to notice changes in how you look and feel. So, feeling mo, maskulado ka, feeling mo buff ka, ganon, ganon yung pakiramdam. Pero ang sarap sa pakiramdam nung kahit after mo mag-workout, may pinapawisan ka pa din. Why? Because continuous pa din yung pagbe-burn mo. So that's it. Yun yung pinakamasarap na pakiramdam. Ayan. And of course, with the strength training, you may lose excess body fat and gain lean muscle mass. So gusto nyo ba yon? Of course, yes, di ba? So it will not just make you look great sa iyong appearance, but yun nga, it may help our body to become more efficient at burning calories, di ba? And ano ba ang suggestion to perform this strength training or resistance-based activities 3 to 4 times a week? Of course, with a combination ng ating protein-rich diet to help us achieve the great results. So go for strength training. All right. So number 4 is endurance. So this is also important. Of course, engaging sa regular. Napansin nyo lahat regular. So lahat dapat ito ay meron sa inyong workout plan each week. Kung kayo man po ay 3 to 4 times nag-workout or every day. So ayan po, hindi lang po dapat puro strength, hindi lang po dapat puro cardio. Okay? So these are 4 elements na we should be having sa ating pag-e-exercise. So this is prolonged physical activity that can improve our muscle strength and boost our overall endurance level. So kapag yung heart and lungs natin nagwo-work more efficiently, meron tayong more energy para magawa yung ating mga daily tasks every single day. So, paano ba natin mai-improve yung endurance? By extending yung duration ng workout. Okay, hindi naman po sinabing 3 hours na kayong mag-workout, di ba? Just by adding repetitions or adding weights, di ba? Ayan. So sa cardiovascular endurance, extending yung duration. Sa muscular endurance, yun nga, pag-a-add ng repetition or pagdagdag ng bigat sa inyong mga binubuhat. Di ba? So this one, you can spend at least 1 session per week to focus sa endurance fitness level. Ayan. So kung natatandaan nyo pa po, pwede nyo po bang i-type sa chat box kung ano po yung 4 elements ng exercise na kailangan po sa ating fitness plan or exercise plan. Thank you po sa magta-type dyan. Ayan, ibig sabihin po, meron po kayong nakuha for today. Ayan, so next po is this one, of course. We all have different goals for our bodies. Some gusto lang payat, gusto medyo may laman, di ba? Ganon. Gusto naman medyo may cuts, di ba? Gusto naman talagang kita yung muscles. So, ayan. So, of course, taking the personalized approach to your plan is the best way to ensure that you are striving toward becoming your best self. And don't forget this amazing formula, the 80% nutrition and 20% workout. Okay? So, with this is the formula. Ito ay makaka-help sa atin para magkaroon ng optimum results. So, not just by working out. Of course, the best way is to partner it with the best nutrition, di ba? None other than, of course, Herbalife. And, ayan po, gusto ko po i-promote sa inyo, if you are not yet started yung pag-exercise, you can start with this exercise using our Herbalife Hub. So you can do running, walking, cycling, swimming, di ba? Just download it. Meron pong QR code dyan. So, very helpful po ito para matrack mo din yung time mo, yung kilometers. Ayan. And maganda din po, merong mga badges na makukuha kung gaano ka na po kalayong tumatakbo. So, amazing Herbalife Hub Up. So, open po ito sa mga members and even customers. So, try nyo po yan and download it right now. As in, kung wala ka pa pong Herbalife Hub. And I just want to share lang ang aking mga workout essentials. So, pwede nyo din po itong screenshot para kung hindi nyo pa po na itatry, pwede nyo po siyang i-add on sa inyong program. So, before exercise po, I'm taking NRG and of course, yung ating shake and yung HPIC, high protein iced coffee, para po sa additional energy with the personalized protein powder. And minsan din po, I am still taking yung high protein iced coffee during workout para po masustain yung energy ko. And of course, during workout, I have this amazing drink, aloe tea, Simply Probiotic, Nightworks. And I also having, ina-add ko din po yung active fiber for additional flavor. Bukod po sa kanyang amazing fiber benefit. And of course, post-workout talaga pong lahat po para po ma-replenish yung vitamins na iyong na-release, yung mga toxins, di ba? Formula 2 vitamins and minerals. And of course, Herbalife line for our joints. Ayan, extra calcium yan. And of course, none other than to rebuild your strength, our none other than Herbalife 24, rebuild strength. Ayan, so you can screenshot this para po matry nyo po siya sa inyong, ma-add nyo po siya sa inyong workout routine. Ayan. And saan pa ba ako? Of course, with this Herbalife, of course, say yes to good nutrition because Herbalife has the seal of product quality and has been recognized as a super brand in the Philippines. And of course, we are number one in the world. So thank you so much and have a great day po.
Alright, grabe naman yun, no? Naka-free